The visual of a sleek, chrome deck hovering just inches above the asphalt is enough to make anyone stop scrolling and stare. It has those sharp lines we have come to expect from high-end electric car designs, topped off with a glowing logo that screams premium tech. People are losing their minds over these clips showing a person gliding effortlessly across a plaza without any wheels or visible means of support. It feels like we finally arrived in the future we were promised in those old sci-fi flicks from the 80s. But before you go trying to pre-order one of these floating wonders, we need to take a massive step back and look at what is actually happening behind the screen. The internet has a way of turning a clever edit into a global truth in a matter of hours. These videos are everywhere, claiming that a certain famous electric vehicle company has cracked the code on magnetic levitation for personal transport. The footage looks incredibly convincing. The lighting is perfect. The shadows hit the ground exactly where they should. However, if you start looking for a source, the trail goes cold immediately. There is no official announcement. There are no specs listed on any legitimate corporate website. There's no footage of a live demonstration in front of a real crowd. What we are actually looking at is a perfect storm of modern digital trickery. Some of these clips are the work of talented 3D artists who use high-end rendering software to place digital objects into real-world footage. Others are likely generated by the latest artificial intelligence video tools that have become frighteningly good at making the impossible look mundane. There are even some cases where people have modified existing electric scooters with bright LED strips and then used clever camera angles or basic wire removal in post-production to create the illusion of flight. It is a fascinating look at how badly we want these things to be real. We are so ready for the next big leap in technology that we bypass our own skepticism. The science of actually making a scooter float like that is incredibly difficult. Real magnetic levitation usually requires a specific type of surface or a massive amount of energy that current battery technology just cannot handle in such a small form factor. We are talking about physics that currently requires giant cooling systems and specialized tracks. So, as much as I would love to tell you that you can go out and buy a floating ride today, it is just not the reality. We are looking at a viral trend built on hype and clever visuals rather than hardware and engineering. It is a digital ghost. That does not mean the idea is dead forever, though. Every time one of these hoaxes goes viral, it shows companies exactly what people are hungry for. It sets a bar for what the future should look like. But for right now, if you see someone gliding on a wheelless board through your social media feed, remember that it is much easier to move pixels than it is to move people. Keep your skeptical hat on and wait for the official word before you start clearing out space in your garage for a hovercraft. It is a classic case of seeing what we want to see. We want the world to be more magical than it is. We want the technology in our pockets to translate into technology under our feet. But physics is a stubborn thing. It does not care about how many likes a video gets or how many times it is shared. Until someone actually builds a room temperature superconductor or a battery that can output massive amounts of power without weighing as much as a truck, we are going to be stuck with wheels for a little while longer. And honestly, that is okay. The current generation of electric scooters is already pretty incredible. They are fast, they are efficient, and they actually exist. So, the next time you see a floating board on your phone, enjoy the art of it. Appreciate the skill that went into the visual effects. But do not expect to see one parked outside your local grocery store anytime soon. The future is coming, but it is taking the stairs instead of floating up the elevator.